Alright, so just a quick video. Today I'm going to be replacing my old Briggs & Stratton engine with a new one. So perfect new one, small engine warehouse, that's rocked up. So basically I've already replaced, already removed the throttle cable. I probably won't reinstall that on this motor, basically because you can control it from the side of the motor. In my opinion, less cables and stuff running around, it looks much cleaner. So basically, this is super simple. 4 bolts, unbolt the engine will come off. The clutch will also come with the engine. So once I've got that off, I'll remove the clutch from the engine shaft, whack that onto the new motor. Once we've got it on the new motor, I'll slip that back on the mower, and then bolt that back down. Just check the adjustment of our engagement, and if all's good, we'll be mowing in 10 minutes. So here we go. Alright, so there you have it. That took me all of 15 minutes to do. So old engine's off, clutch came off, clutch went onto the new engine. Don't forget to add engine oil. They come with no engine oil in them. As you see, it will take 600 ml of oil, so that's pretty crucial, don't forget that. Bolt it down. Once you've bolted it down, just make sure that your clutch is set correctly. You saw me, I had to adjust that so I had to release some pressure. You sort of want, when we're in the running position, so when we've engaged the reel, you sort of want about a 1 millimeter gap between your thrust pad and the end of your clutch cone. So just adjust it until you get to about that point, and then you're good to go. So I'll put some fuel in here. It's been raining for heck almost 2 weeks now, and I've mowed the grass once, so it is long. Anyway, just thought I'd show you a quick simple video of how to replace your engine with a new one. Thanks for watching.